So we're looking to AVAX. Let's look here in detail. The price is coming from $68. And you can see, as I predict, the price is going here to the downside. We break the structure here. This structure is shit. You can see we break the structure really clear. As I predict, now we have to look here more inside. I'm honest to you, I not like this formation. If we look here to the Bitcoin price, then we have a similar structure here. We can say that if you look here to the whole system, then we can say, okay, we're coming to the end. What possible is that we break here this structure to the sideways. If you count this, then we have to normally break here out. Let's say the Fed says something and we're going here to these levels, then we can expect this. But at the end of the day, the price will go here and that way to the downside. So we are here in a very how can I say, important area, and we have here two possibilities. One is this, the other is this. So, and that is also what I expect here at AVAX, that we get here something like that, and the price is falling to these levels. We will go direction to $10. Let me look. So we fall to 22. We have this retest at 38. That means we have the energy to go here to $6. So you can see direction is right. I would say something like that. It's more real to $6. But you have to think about this situation here. We have then an extreme triangle. So AVAX will break this triangle to the upside. The conditions for this is also here. And I think this will happen, that we in July or mid of or end of July, that we will break here out of this negative channel. So we have to look what Bitcoin makes. Let me look. If I compare here also this, so you can see we are in a very bearish area. So for more, please use the membership so that you know what happens here at these levels. I would say we finish here and change to the next crypto. Again, if you want more here, the price targets, then come in the Wolf Exclusive Club or Wolf Performance or other crypto memberships. Have a nice day. So we're looking to Bitcoin price. I already uploaded a long-term Bitcoin price. You can see this, how can I say, a short-term video, and you can see that the next target could go to 16,000. It's depend what the walls make. You can see we clear break the structure here. We tested so much. Now we're breaking here to the downside. So I think even if the walls manipulate the price here to these levels here, or break this to these levels, I not believe in that. I expect something like that, to the downside. and you can see this channel goes to 16,000. Yeah. So that is huge. I think from the feeling here that we could reach the 25 or the $20,000 level first. Yeah. So I don't think that we're going directly to 16,000. I think something like that. Again, test of 23,000 and then finally go more to the downside. Yeah. So if we're going directly to these levels, makes sense. Yeah. Then the retest is at these levels. Look. So I think let's draw this exactly. I make this in green. I think this makes more sense. Come to the downside. Make here retest. Yeah. Oh, we are quick. So downside 16,000, make a retest at 23,000. Then difference is nearly 7,000, and that means from this point we will break out. That means we will break here out. Yeah, we delete the blue lines so that you can see. So that is what I think will happen. Yeah, because we need. Yeah, we are in a negative trend line, yes, but we need to test this level because this level is our neckline. Yeah, you can see the neckline is coming from here, and we have not the time to spend here more time here at this levels. I think the break level is 16,000, or if you make a retest, then at 10,000 we will break here down. Yeah. This is the panic area, and then finally to 3,500. Yeah, something like that. So now many of the people would say, okay, why this is happening? The reason is we coming to the end formation. You can see the price is coming from 50,000. We have here resistance. Yeah, we stay clear here in these levels, and you can see Bitcoin price cannot break this to the upside. Yeah, the next trend is to 16,000. Have a nice day.